Stop making Roblox videos because the competition in them is very high. If you start a channel with such Roblox gameplay videos, your chances of getting views will be very low. Today, I have found a new niche for you. I will tell you how you can start your own channel in this niche. Everyone knows Roblox videos are insanely popular. Every creator is uploading them, short videos are everywhere, and the competition is absolutely massive. If you start a Roblox gaming channel today, you'll probably get 0 views. Not because your content is bad, but because the niche is completely saturated. But here's the twist. I found a new niche where creators are getting millions of views using AI, and almost no one knows about it. These ranking-style shorts are blowing up everywhere, and on YouTube and TikTok. I found channels pulling 22 million views, 8 million views, even one channel with over 200 million views just from these simple videos. And the crazy part? These aren't gameplay videos. They don't require you to record anything, and the competition is way lower than normal Roblox gaming. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these viral ranking videos using AI. Even if you've never edited a video before, you can create them in 5 to 6 minutes. And if you do it correctly, your channel can be monetized easily. Most people make huge mistakes that stop their videos from getting monetized. But I'm going to show you the exact steps to create original ranking-style content, turn it into a high-retention ranking video, use AI to make it look professional, and optimize it so it actually goes viral. So if you're ready, let's get started. Let's make the exact kind of viral video that's blowing up right now. There's a channel called Bigfoot Feed, and their most popular video has 8.6 million views. And here's the crazy part. This entire channel goes viral using one simple format, ranking videos made in Sora 2. These ranking-style videos are pulling millions and millions of views, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create the same type of video using AI. First of all, you need to pick a viral video from TikTok, Instagram, or Sora 2. We're not copying. We're replicating the style that already works. I'll show you the full step-by-step process so you can recreate these trends without guessing. Next, getting a Sora 2 account. If you don't already have a Sora 2 account, you can easily buy one. These accounts are limited, so make sure to check quickly. There's a link in the description where you can get an authentic Sora 2 account. Just click it, and you can purchase it directly from the website. Once you have your account, you can log into Sora 2 and start creating instantly. If Sora 2 isn't available in your country, don't worry. Just use any VPN, switch your location, and you will be able to access Sora 2 without any problems. Once the VPN is on, Sora 2 will open normally and you can start generating your videos. Now we're going to create our video, the same style used by the channel Bigfoot Feed. To do that, we need the right videos. And here's the important part. We need viral, unique, eye-catching videos that will grab the viewer instantly. So where do we start? There are 2 ways. First, we can recreate a viral video. Second, we can take an existing viral clip and remake it in our own style using Sora 2. Once you open Sora 2, you'll see tons of short videos on your feed. You can choose any viral clip that looks interesting. Pick one that stands out, something unique, funny, or surprising. For example, I found a funny cat video and a crazy crocodile video where the crocodile is riding a cycle. These types of videos grab attention instantly, and you can download them with one click. Sora 2 gives you a whole library of viral-style clips, and you can remake them uniquely so they are safe, original, and copyright-free. The second method is even more powerful. You can take any video you find online, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and recreate your own version using Sora 2. This way, you avoid copyright issues, and you always have original content. So, how do you recreate any video that you've downloaded from TikTok or Instagram? It's simple. First, pick the video you want to recreate. It can be any viral clip that you saved to start. Open Google Gemini. Upload the video you saved from TikTok or Instagram. Next, type the exact prompt describing how you want to remake this video. For example, tell it, "Give me a prompt, and I will create a video using AI. Please give me a short and detailed prompt." Click the Generate button. Within seconds, Gemini will create a ready-to-use prompt for your video. This prompt is exactly what you can use in Sora 2 to recreate the video in your own style. Once you have the Gemini prompt, copy it and paste it into Sora 2. Sora 2 will use this prompt to generate a professional, viral-looking video that matches the original TikTok or Instagram clip. You need to find 5 viral videos. You can either remix them directly in Sora 2 or take them from TikTok or Instagram. The key is to get a total of 5 videos for your project. Once you have your 5 videos, it's time to brand them. This means adding overlay text ranking points. To make this process easier, I've prepared a ready-to-use prompt for you. All you need to do is join my WhatsApp channel, where I've shared the prompt. You'll see it as an image in the widget section. Copy that image and prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Next, click the Generate button in ChatGPT, ask you to provide the videos you want to prompt. So, where do you get the video prompts? For this, you need to use Google Gemini. If you want a prompt for any of the 5 videos, start by uploading the video to Google Gemini. After uploading, type in a short instruction prompt. Then click the Generate button. Gemini will produce a prompt for your video, which you should copy and paste into Google Docs. Repeat this process for all 5 videos, extracting the prompts for each one and saving them in Google Docs. Once you have all 5 prompts ready, copy them and paste them into ChatGPT. Click the Generate button in ChatGPT and it will provide the overall structure of your ranking video. This includes the overlay text, the ranking points, and everything you need to edit your video in a way that is ready to go viral. Now it's time to edit your video in Cupcut. Cupcut is beginner-friendly and free to download on your device. Editing is the most important part, so make sure you follow each step carefully. Start by opening Cupcut and clicking the Import button. Import all the video clips you saved from Sora 2, TikTok, or Instagram. On your timeline, arrange the clips step by step. Start with the funniest or most unique viral clip as your first clip, then add the next funniest clip and continue with all 3 to 5 clips. This creates a smooth, engaging flow for your ranking video. Next, add transitions and animations to make your video visually appealing. Move your cursor to the line between clips, click on Animation or Transition, and select from the available options. You can also use the plus icon to apply effects to multiple clips at once. Once your clips are arranged, it's time to add overlay text and ranking points. Start by clicking the text button and selecting Default Text. On the right-hand panel, you can edit the font, color, and size of your text, place the text in the middle of the screen, or wherever it looks best. Use brackets or numbering to indicate rankings, just like your competitors. To save time, you can copy and paste the text across your clips. For example, if you have 5 videos, paste the overlay text 5 times, adjusting each one for the corresponding clip. Make sure the text is clear but not too big or too small, and place it consistently across all clips. Next, you can add animations to your text. Click on the text layer, go to the animation section, and choose an animation style. This makes your ranking points more dynamic and keeps viewers engaged. After adding all the text and animations, preview your video to check for mistakes or timing issues. Once everything looks good, add background music that fits your video style. Finally, click the Export button to save your video. Your ranking video is now complete and ready to upload.
Go! Keep it flat! What the? Oh my god, it's a crocodile on a bike! No way! No way! Passing us! We're gonna go! This can't be real! He's in the lead! I'm filming!
Georgia, drop the ball! Drop it right now! Georgia, drop it! Drop the ball, Georgia! 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 Georgia down!
Back up, you brute.
6-7.
I said leave. Hey, get out of my house. No, that's for dinner. Drop the lasagna.
Are you kidding me? Stop it! It's the middle of the night. Ow. Hey, let go. No more horns, Fuzzball. Inside.
Get back, come on!